things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Camerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the day. It's Monday. Yeah, probably not our best day to trade. We're kind of stuck, on the SPY, right on the 4 EMA. We got quite a few pivots in front of us here, so I went bullish above 64450. As far as the downside trade, there's probably a scalping trade down to the 8 EMA. That would be our first trade. Second trade would be below if it were to fall below, which is why I picked 641.80. Yeah, if we fall below this S1 level, then there's a pretty good shot that we're going to come down to the 8 EMA. All right, 641 would be another possible level. Just not enough room there. Maybe like 639.50. Yeah, that actually would be the next big level if we break below that 8 EMA. Focus a lot on it because I know a lot of you guys are trading that mostly. All right, as far as the IWM, let me just switch over. Yeah, switch over here. All right, where are we at? We had massive dark pool activity at 231.20. So I am bullish above 229, but note I used 231.20 dark pool level as a target. Bear below 226.25. Again, that's another retrace down to the 8 EMA. That's the popular pattern this morning. Let's check out the QQQ. Bullish above 578.55. Now note the Q's already tagged the 8 EMA, so a little bit weaker than the SPY. Bullish above 578.55, bear below 574.94. So our trade setup on the Q's is really down to this 15 EMA on the daily chart. All right, let's go to the futures. We'll start with the E-minis, bullish above 64.82 and 50 cents. I wanted to go above this whale that we got last week at 64.80 and then bear below 64.54. And I did go below the 8. Our trade is down to that 15 EMA. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 23,875, bear below 23,750. All right, also a trade down to the 15 EMA. Oil futures, they switched. They switched the contract to October. So let me just go over here. Didn't really love this trade today at all. A lot of pivots to the upside, but bullish above 63.55 if we can get all the way up there. Bear below 61.50. We go down here. Let's head on over to gold. Still using December. Bullish above 34.02 and 50 cents. If we could break above that 8 EMA, there's, room to go. Bear below 33.60. Just did not like the downward trade. A lot of moving averages and pivots. Let's check out Bitcoin futures. All right. These guys are, flat, a little weakish. Is it going to hold this 50 simple moving average? We'll see. Bear below 114,900. Bullish above 116,000. That's just a scalping trade, retracement trade. Yeah, didn't really love it, but if you want to trade it, that's it. All right, let's go to individual stocks. United Healthcare. Yay. Stevan pumped this one in the Java pit last week. And it's doing great. Thank you so much, Stevan. Great swing there. Bullish for the day trade today. Above 315. Bear below 299.50 for the retrace. Let's go to our second one. Lorraine pumped this one in the Java pit when it was down here. I don't know how she knew that Google was getting involved, but I don't know. She might be a little psychic. Look at this thing go, Lorraine. Bullish above 950 today, already triggered. So I'm going to say bullish above 10 right now. That's the next major level. 1020 is another one above that Camarilla. Bear below was 750, but it's moved up substantially. Let me just see if there's another possible. Nah, we have a lot of pivots here. Yeah, it's a tough one on the downside. All right, let's go to the next one. Ethereum, ETHA. Bullish above 34.50, bear below 31.80 for ETHA. IBIT, Bitcoin Trust, bullish above 67.12, bear below 65. Yeah, there's a pretty big pocket down to the 50 simple moving average right there. Next, we got Palantir, PLTR. Bullish above 177, bear below 173.50. Yeah, I'm looking for the trade down to that 20 exponential moving average if it goes below the 15 EMA. Let's go to AMD. We had some pretty big prints on this one at 177.60 last week, 2.5 million almost. So bullish above 179, bear below 175. And then we got Amazon. Yeah, I kind of like this Amazon trade. If it goes below the 4 EMA, we got to trade down to the 8. And also that gap area. And then bullish above 232.50. Apple. We got bullish above 233 and then bear below 230. We had a recent print at 230.75, so we'll see which way it wants to go. And then we have XPEV, bullish above 20.50. Coast is clear. Bear below 19.20. I don't like the bear below. A lot of pivots. So I went low. There you have it. Those are your whispers for Monday, August 18th. Until next time, come and join us. Check out our interactive trading rooms. Go to thedarkpools.com. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.